Hey, it's Meat Thinker here. Today I'm going to make a smoked venison backstrap. I was able to harvest a 6-year-old buck last season and save this backstrap for today's smoke. Why? Because you can't really beat a fresh venison backstrap. How do you guys prepare your backstraps? With this fresh backstrap, you can't go wrong with 3 simple ingredients: kosher salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder, all common items in your pantry. I used 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 3 tablespoons of ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix it well and put it in the shaker. There's a lot of silver skin, so be sure to remove most of it. Yes, I left a lot of meat on the silver skin, so I'm going to try to salvage this so I can snack on this later. Now it's time to season the backstrap. Be sure to cover all sides. Now the backstrap is ready. Place it in the smoker at 250 degrees. The backstrap is very lean and cooks really fast, so be sure to keep your eye on the temperature so you do not overcook. The target finish temperature is about 130 degrees, which will leave you right at medium rare. The only meat my wife would eat medium rare without killing it twice is the venison backstrap, so I'm really excited about that as well. Now it's out of the smoker and let's start cutting into it. The backstrap is cooked beautifully, nice and medium rare, and yep, my wife likes it. Well, that's it for my meat thinking today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and get your backstraps out of your freezer and start cooking as well. And please also like and subscribe to the channel and check out my Instagram handle at meat thinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.